Hello, my name's Adam from Indoor Outdoors, and today I'm here to show you how to assemble your MegaMaxx dual blue roll holder. Go. For this, all you'll need is everything that comes in the kit and just 4 screws. The first step you'll want to do is take one of your side pieces and your top layer, and you'll attach them together using the holes pre-made on the items. Once you've done this, just repeat it again on the other side. In place, just take a drill and tighten it in. Take your frame and hold it against the wall and make 2 marks where you want the screws to go to. Pull your screws from earlier and just drill them onto the marks you've made. Screws in the wall, take your frame and hang it on them. Now you've got it on the wall, just take your next set of screws and screw in the holes at the bottom. Okay. Finally, take your 2 poles and just place them in the slots. And there you go.